model. There's this idea from James Clear in his book Atomic Habits about 3 layers of change. Picture 3 circles, one inside the other. The outside layer is outcomes. This is what you get. The weight loss, the published book, this is where most of us live. The middle layer is processes. This is what you do, the new gym routine, the writing habit. This is the system you follow. But the center, the core, is identity. This is what you believe. It's the story you tell yourself about yourself. Most change fails because we try to work from the outside in. We chase the outcome, maybe even change the process, but we never touch our identity. And any behavior that doesn't line up with who you believe you are will not last. You can't keep up habits that contradict your self-image. If you believe deep down that you're someone who's undisciplined, no app or system is going to save you. You always find your way back to who you believe you are. So if we want real change, we have to stop looking at the apples. We have to go straight to the roots. We have to start with identity. So if identity is the key, our first step isn't a to-do list. It's a question. Who am I right now? The first secret is to take an honest, fearless look at your current identity. And identity here isn't your name or your job. It's the collection of stories you have on repeat in your head. The I am statements that run your life, mostly on autopilot. Oh no, it's okay, I'm a procrastinator. I'm just not a morning person. I'm shy. I'm bad with money, so I don't touch it. I am someone who always quits. These aren't just thoughts, they are verdicts, and your mind will work overtime to find evidence to prove them true. Every time you hit snooze, your brain goes, "See, I told you, you're not a morning person." Your actions are just a reflection of your identity. So your first job is to get a piece of paper and just excavate without judgment. No criticism. Just finish the sentence "I am" as many times as you can. And you have to write it all down. The good, the bad, the neutral. Let's say, I am a good friend. I am terrible at remembering names. I used to say that a lot. I am creative. I am always late. I'm just not good enough. And this can feel weird, uncomfortable. But you might uncover beliefs you didn't know you were holding on to so tightly. For years, a dominant story for me was, I am someone who starts things but never finishes them. And I had a graveyard of half-done projects to prove it. It wasn't just a thought, it was who I was. And I would unconsciously sabotage myself right before the finish line, because to actually finish would create a conflict with my own self-image. This audit is step 1, because you can't change what you refuse to see. You have to look at the wiring before you can change it. So be honest, but be kind to yourself. This isn't about blame, but it is about awareness. You're just taking stock of the programming that's been running the show until now. And once you have a clear map of who you are now, the next question is the exciting one. Who do I want to become? This is the second secret. To consciously, deliberately define your future identity. And let me be clear, this is not about setting goals. This is about defining a character. You are the author. You get to write the main character for the next chapter in your life.